Almost 20 years ago, a firearms manufacturer attempted to take one of their guns and shoot 1,000 rounds through it in around 10 minutes. Since that time, no other manufacturer has attempted that challenge until today. I'm Caleb Giddings from Taurus USA, and I'm here with our brand ambassador, Matt Little, and we're going to attempt to replicate that challenge and maybe even exceed it with the new Taurus TX9. We're talking about 1,000 rounds, around 10 minutes. We've got a lot of preloaded magazines for you, so hopefully that'll make things a little bit easier. I can't imagine trying to stand around jam mags as we're shooting. So what do you think? What do you think is gonna be the hardest part of this? Do you think the gun's gonna break or you're gonna break?
Apart from the gun getting hot, I'm more concerned about how fatigued my trigger finger gets, to be honest.
That makes perfect sense. Luckily, this isn't an accuracy challenge. It's just a test of endurance, both of the shooter and of the gun. Now, here's how this is going to work. We've got 1,000 rounds of brand new MagTech ammunition. We have a Taurus TX9 that is straight from the factory. The only change that has been made to this gun from the factory configuration is I added Dawson Precision Sights to it because it's actually my gun. But that should tell you how confident I am in this challenge. I'm using one of the guns that Taurus gave me to compete with to run this 1,000 round challenge. Matt, do you have any questions before we get started?
Do we have any ice on hand for my hands after?
I think we can make that happen. We've gone through the course of fire, what we are expecting from you, what we're hoping this gun can accomplish. You ready to get after it?
Let's do it.
All right, let's roll. Are you ready? Stand by. I can smell that gun! Loaded. Matt, last round. All right, brother. That was, you ready for this? You ready for this number?
Yeah.
So I okey-doked you a little bit. That wasn't 1,000 rounds. That was 1,018 rounds in 619.8 seconds. So 10 minutes, 19.8 seconds for 1,018 rounds out of the Taurus TX9. How do you feel right now?
Smoked.
I can imagine. How'd that gun shoot for you?
Gun shot great. I was getting sloppy towards the end. My hands were just too weak and tired to hold on to the gun right. But the gun shot fantastic.
Yeah, can you believe that thing went through 1,018 rounds in just about 10 minutes? No stoppages of any type, no parts breakages, no failures. We did actually melt the fiber optic front sight, but what do you have to say about that?
So, brand new mags, factory ammo, no modifications to the gun.
None whatsoever.
Not one malfunction.
Nothing.
And it got very hot.
Oh, I imagine you had to dunk it a couple of times when you would put that thing in that bucket of water and it would come out and there'd all this steam and stuff blowing off of it. Oh, it was so cool to look at. But I'm absolutely blown away at the durability of something like that, because the amount of heat that you're generating shooting 1,000 rounds of 9mm in 10 minutes, the gun gets crazy hot. All the parts get crazy hot. Guns aren't supposed to do that. They're not designed for that.
No, there's a cyclical max rate of fire for a firearm, and then there's a maximum effective rate of fire, which takes into account the gun holding up under things like this. That's exceeding, I'm sure,
Oh, absolutely.
the recommended maximum effective rate of fire.
Yeah, we beat the hell out of that gun, and it took everything that we just threw at it. Any final thoughts on being the first person to complete the 1,000 round challenge in almost 20 years?
I need to dunk my hands in the water.
Perfect. All right, I'm Caleb Giddings from Taurus USA. You've just watched the 1,000 round challenge. This was the Taurus TX9. We took it from 0 to 1,018 rounds in under 10 minutes and 20 seconds. I don't like to say things like that's never been done before a lot, but in this case, that's never been done before. For more information on the Taurus TX9, please head to TaurusUSA.com.